Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you forget your Wi-Fi network. As you want to forget your Wi-Fi network, so as you can forget. And guys, now let's see how to forget Wi-Fi network in your Tecno phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you forget your Wi-Fi network. So guys, now let's see how to forget Wi-Fi network in a Tecno phone. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to forget your Wi-Fi network. Then guys, you can see this third Wi-Fi setting tab here, and guys you can see guys we have connected this Mukesh 5G network, and guys now we want to forget this network. So guys press on your Wi-Fi, then guys you can see disconnect and forget option. So you want to forget? Yes, we want to forget. So with this Wi-Fi network we forget, then guys when you will connect guys you will have to enter password again. Then guys you can use your Wi-Fi. So I hope friends you have understood how to forget Wi-Fi in our Technophone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.